Sending money on Gumroad is a straightforward process that allows you to support creators and purchase products easily. Follow these steps to complete your transaction. Step 1. Create a Gumroad account. Before changing your settings, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Browse products. Once logged in, explore the marketplace to find the product or creator you wish to support. You can use the search bar or browse through categories to discover items. Step 3. Select a product. Click on the product you want to purchase. Review the product details, including price, description, and any additional information provided by the creator. Step 4. Add to cart and checkout. After selecting your product, click the Add to Cart button. When you are ready to complete your purchase, click on the cart icon and proceed to checkout. You may need to enter your payment information if you haven't done so before. Step 5. Confirm payment. Review your order details and confirm your payment. Once the transaction is successful, you will receive a confirmation email, and you can access your purchased product from your Gumroad library. Thank you for following these steps. Enjoy your shopping experience on Gumroad.